Miso Samba.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Sumba, and in case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'm about to go to work and I want to show you a video real quick before I go, how to use an electric pump, because most of these days most women are working and you have to have a pump to express milk and leave it to anyone who's remaining with your baby in the house, or keep it in the refrigerator for the future use, that is the freezer. Yeah, so there are different types of breast pump. You can also use a manual one, of which I'll show you guys when I get into touch with one, but right now I have an electric one, and this is how it looks like. This is the box that I used to buy this, and this was about like $80. That is 8,000 Kenya shillings, but there's a cheaper one. You can get that, but it's really worth that money. Yeah. So guys, this is the monitor. This monitor, they've really made it with the a very high voltage, 5V, yeah. So no, rated at 5W, 5 watts. So it can't, like, you can't get electrocuted. Plus, the connection that is between you and the breast is not a good conductor of electricity, so you can't get electrocuted. That fear of maybe you might get a shock, electric shock, using this pump, that's a myth. So yeah, this thing, it has a charger. You connect it to the electricity. For instance, there, let's say it's connected there. So after you do the electric connection, you connect it to the electricity, you connect this part to the monitor. Then you have this one. It comes with all these things, plus it comes with 2 bottles like this, but a smaller one. Yeah, so you have to connect this thing. Without this thing, it can't pump. So you connect that one, and then you also put this one here. If you don't connect these things well, it won't pump. The like let's say there won't be that reflex. It won't be there at all. And then you put your bottle. Then you have to put also this one. And when you're doing all these things, make sure that your hands are clean. You just wash your hands before touching all these things, because if you don't do so, you'll contaminate the milk, and the baby is going to take them instantly. So you also have to use this thing. You have to use this one. When it's not there, the pump will not work automatically. So it has to be there. For my case, I usually use one side, but you can use both sides. But when you're using one side, you have to connect this side too, so that if you don't want to connect this side, you can just put this thing here, and then it will pump. If you don't pump, the air here will pass through. If you don't put this side, the air will pass through and it won't be able to pump. So when you're using this side, automatically this side, the other side of the breast, will be removing milk. That's now where you have this thing. I don't know what it's called. Maybe anyone who knows can write for me at the comment section. So what you do, you put one side on your breast, and then the other side you hold with this, because when you pump this side, it will stimulate the other side, and now milk will start coming out, dropping down. So you'll collect it with this one as you pump with this. So that's now the connection. I've just done the connection part of it. And then when you want to on the pump, there's this button here. after putting on this button, you have to massage first. So you massage at 10, at a frequency of 10. I don't know if you can hear the sound. So that's how it will do. And then when now you want to pump, you massage for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on how you'll feel the milk coming out, or when you'll feel like the milk wants to come out. Then now you pump. For pumping, you now press this one. When you're using this same pump, you press this one, and then you have to add the speed. You add the speed. The highest speed or the maximum speed of this pump is 15, but 15 is too much. When you're using 15, you'll feel the pain on your nipples, and that's not good. So you can reduce it to where you're comfortable. Like for my case, I was using 13 or 12. So you're using like the pressure that you can withstand, that you don't feel pain on your nipples, or something that won't affect you in the future. So when you want to reduce, you use this one. When you want to increase, you use this one. So that's that. It's just as easy as that. Yeah. And then pumping milk, for you to pump like this whole bottle plus another small one, it takes like 15 minutes. 15 minutes to pump. So you see that how fast this is, and you won't be like bothering yourself. Maybe you're late for work and something. It's really saving time. Even if you buy this thing at an expensive price, you won't regret buying it, because it will save your time, and then it will help you collect milk at a very easier way. So that's that. In case you have any questions, please drop it on my comment section, so that I can see anything that you need to know about babies, pumping, feeding. My baby is now past 6 months, and I have all the tips of how we did feed her. So if in case you want anything, please let me know at the comment section. But for now, bye bye until next time. I love you all.